Good morning, you guys. Welcome to a day in my life as a full-time content creator and a stay-at-home mom. I always start the day by making my bed. I feel like it helps me feel more put together and it's a great way to start the day. Then I do my skincare. You guys are probably wondering where Stetson is. I usually do this in the morning before he wakes up, but today I'm starting a little later today. My friend is here and she's watching him just for a few days a week. This is actually her first day doing it. Stetson is downstairs with her right now. I love doing a half up, half down look just so the hair is out of my face. Recently, Stetson's grabbing it and ripping it, so I've been wearing it up a lot more lately. So I'm gonna do the half up, half down hairstyle, but it will most likely go up by the end of the day. This hairstyle is literally so easy and it's out of my face, so I love it. This is what my makeup bag is looking like these days. Let me show you my day-to-day makeup routine. I always start with the Veil Hydrating Skin Tint by Hourglass. I love this skin tint because I'm not a huge foundation wearer, so this still gives me that color, but not so thick or cakey. Next, I go in with the Hourglass Concealer in the shade Fawn, and I blend that in with an Hourglass makeup brush. For blush, I use Rare Beauty's Liquid Blush in the shade Hope. I barely put any on because a little goes a long way. For contour, I use the OG Contour Face Stick in the shade Copper. This product blends so nicely and I love all of the OG products. Then I blend that out with an OG brush. Then the last step, I use the Charlotte Tilbury Setting Spray. That is my everyday makeup routine. I'm not gonna lie, I usually just wear pajamas throughout the day unless I'm going somewhere, obviously. I don't change into jeans if I don't need to. I just like to be comfortable and laid back. So I'm gonna stay in these pajamas. I kind of want to take Stetson on a walk, so I'll change then. But for now, we're staying in the PJs. Hi. Hi, buddy. Hey. Say hi. I'm pumping right now and then I'm gonna put him in the bassinet for a nap. He loves taking naps in the bassinet. This is 5 minutes of pumping. One down, and here's the second. He's starting to rock and try to roll, and it scares me. So hopefully he likes this one. You have to put your arms up so he can't roll around in the bassinet. You're okay. Oh, are you so sleepy? Are you so sleepy? Here you go, babies. I love you so much.
And 10 more, and then
this glass is so cute. I got it from Anthropology. We made ginger shots last night, so I'm going to take a ginger shot. These are my placenta capsules. So they dehydrated my placenta and I take them as a pill. They're supposed to be really good for you and give you a lot of benefits and also help with postpartum depression and anxiety. I take 2 a day of these. Ginger shot. Spicy. Good. This is the pod that I'm using. So yummy. This is the best creamer ever. Sticking with the lemon vibes today. Tell me this isn't the cutest thing ever. We got Jersey Mike's for lunch. I got a turkey sandwich with jalapeno chips. I don't know if you guys do this, but this is my favorite thing to do with turkey sandwiches. I put my chips in the sandwich. Good morning. Good morning. You want milk? I was gonna take Stetson on a walk, but it's pouring out. And let's talk about how it gets dark at 3:30. Like, that should be illegal. It's already getting dark outside. I got this book off Amazon. It's to see a bunch of colors, and it also has like a mirror. Roll over. Hi, boys. Yay, Stetson! Hi. Are you so happy? Stetson loves this thing. I literally bounce him in this thing like all the time. You having fun? While Stetson takes his second nap, I'm going through all my emails. Holden just got home. He's in the shower right now. I'm going to hurry and do a quick little pickup while he's still asleep, so let's go do that. Holden's starting on dinner right now.
The next Gordon Ramsay.
You guys were probably waiting for him to come home to be in the vlog.
A hint of avocado oil. Do not use canola oil or vegetable oil, or you should be in jail. Always use fresh chopped garlic. So there's no heat. You can use a lot of onion because it cooks out better. You want to cook this? Till the onions are clear in the pan. They get a little clear. That means they're cooked. Seasonings. Need Italian. Crushed red pepper. Already put garlic. Boom.
And salt and pepper.
Two things you need. Ground beef and sausage. Only grass-fed ground beef. If you don't eat grass-fed, it's okay.
I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good.
Pro tip, always use a meat smasher. Break up your meat into bite-sized pieces.
Hi, Kona. You're so pretty. Good morning.
Added some crushed red pepper for a little spice. Italian because it's an Italian dish. And then salt and pepper. And then you're gonna want at this point start boiling your water. You have to add some olive oil and some salt. Some people say it helps your noodles not stick. Who knows if it works? I just do it because that's what they say. You could have done this in this pot, but I'm deciding to transfer it in here because spaghetti sauce is gonna splat everywhere if I don't. Put that. At this point, you want to add your tomato sauce. Doesn't matter what kind. Any kind works. Mix it in. And then just let that simmer for about until you're done cooking everything else.
Stop,
Fresh
please.
Parmesan.
Stop, please.
Tell everyone to stop.
Stop. Stop. And this is dinner. We have pasta, garlic bread, salad with Italian dressing.
Didn't take them out at all.
Then I had the Indiana spread.
Everyone, their moms.
Jetson! After dinner, we ended up having some friends over and we played a board game and just hung out. Now I'm going to start editing the vlog and we're gonna watch a movie. So thank you guys for watching this little fun day in my life. I hope you enjoyed it and not judging me for still being in the same pajamas. I'm about to hop in the shower. Don't worry. I love you guys so much. Bye.